sitting down, of course we'll find the most comfortable position, and I guess for Deborah and I'd even say both of us would be better off with a little cushion behind us, because this is quite a deep couch. Probably for a taller person they wouldn't need the cushion behind them. But what we have to think about when we get up from the couch, of course, is for most of us it will be coming forward first. So I think both of us could probably come forward either by using our hands or by just doing a little shuffle, so that we come, so that we're a little bit closer to the edge. And then ideally we're going to have our feet about shoulder width apart. If we can, we're just going to use our body's momentum to bring us up. But if that's difficult for you, then sometimes you might actually want to push up with your hands. So an important thing as I come forward is that I use my head to be part of that momentum. I might look down to start with, but then in the second phase of standing, as I'm coming upwards, I will look up, I will look ahead, and my head will be part of the whole thing of getting up smoothly. So just watch as I come up now. I'm going to put my head down and then I'm going to look up as I come up, and that felt good for me. What feels good for you when you do it, Deborah?
Something very similar, Michelle. I'll do it. I'll attempt to follow what you've just done.
Yeah. So I guess if for either of us, at any time, if we had one part of our body that was a bit sore, I'm talking really about lower limbs, what we might want is to have more purchase with our arms. We might want to have arm rests, and I guess we'd find that a lot of people here in the hospital would be gravitating towards chairs that had armrests rather than sitting on the sofa, at least when they first come, because in the first few days they probably need a little bit more support. For a lot of people, by the time they're going home, they may well be able to get off a couch like the one we're on, because the secret is this couch has really good firm seats. It's really a matter of what's your couch like at home, isn't it? Because if everybody had a couch that was as firm as this, a lot more people would gravitate perhaps towards their couches. This has been made specifically to make it easy to get on and off, and a lot of people would choose to have if they had removable seat cushions, they would actually take those seat cushions to an upholsterer and have a firmer foam put in. And I did that at home. I actually had that done at home 15 or 16 years ago. The seat cushions were actually feather filled, so they used to bottom out every time someone sat on them. 15, 16 years later, they are still incredibly good and serviceable and easy for people to get on and off. So that would be one of the recommendations I would have for a lot of people. Think about what your seat cushions are like. Are they supportive? Does it make it easy for you?